official. Phoenix, Arizona is now welcoming the 600,000 mile Acura TSX all the way from Boise, Idaho, and fresh off of a cross-country road trip that started in Idaho and went all the way to Maine. Arrives in 104 degrees. Welcome to Phoenix.
Lovely, thank you.
Luke, what's up, buddy? Hey, man. This is my latest trade-in at Hughie Acura.
Congratulations.
And do you guys want to help me appraise this one? I don't know. Hey, she's a clean one owner though, as I recall, right?
About a 10 spot maybe.
Yeah. Well, welcome to Phoenix. We'll go grab a bite to eat and show these guys some hospitality. Making it official with the guest book register here.
We started in Boise, Idaho.
Okay.
And then we came down through Salt Lake and then cut across through Rock Springs and then Cheyenne. Now, after this, we're heading up to Grand Canyon.
So it's not every day you get the key to a 600,000 mile TSX, but I just did. We're gonna go pick up a pizza here and see how she performs. Do you guys see that? Holy smokes, 601, 572. What do you think about that?
That's a lot.
That is a high miler, but she's purring like brand new. All right, here we are, heading westbound into the desert scape here. This TSX, I don't know if it's ever been to Arizona before today, has it?
No, I don't think it has.
It only took you, what is that, 16 years to make it down here?
16, yeah, that's it.
It's about time. I've been trying to get Josh to visit me for a long time, so glad he finally did. And this thing, I had driven this car once before. If I remember correctly, we were somewhere in the fives. Obviously, I'll put a link in the description to our previous video where Josh and I pulled a crazy stunt and both rolled 555 miles at the same time and place.
Yeah.
But if I close my eyes and just kind of take in the overall driving feel, I would guess this car has 70,000 miles. I mean, if that.
Yeah.
How many windshields?
Oh gosh. At least a half a dozen.
Yeah, I've done about 4, I think. So anyway, show the surroundings.
The nav stopped working years ago because Acura no longer provides updated DVD maps for the nav system. We got the maintenance miter light on because I'm due for an oil change. I think that pops up for 7,500 miles. I think it's 7,500 miles, and I'm over 8,000 miles since my last oil change now. So, but yeah, overall, she's been a great car, comfortable, and haven't had any issues.
All right, thanks for coming out. And here's your quick walk around of the exterior. Really not much to talk about in terms of wear and tear that you wouldn't already expect from a car with that kind of miles. That's a wrap. She is enjoying her moment in the spotlight, short as it may be. Trade in. Maybe I'll send you home in an NSX.
I'd do it if I had one less person with me.
Yeah. Well, she looks good in here.
Yeah, she does.
He's left the sticky tape on his car. How many 600,000 mile cars do you know of that still have the Acura? It's barely peeling up on the end right there. Josh, you got issues.
I know. Mark
Actually-
is a heel toe. That drives him nuts.
Oh geez. There it is. 601, 574, and we predict he'll be well into 603 range maybe by the time he gets
it'll
home.
Be probably another 1,000 miles.
Yep. All right. And they're off. This car is headed to the Grand Canyon tomorrow, and then eventually working its way back to Idaho. So safe travels, Luke and Josh. Good to see you guys.
Take care.
All right, see ya.